What's happening, fam? Thank you guys for stopping by the house. This is Casa del Yarbro. While you're here, we may as well give you a tour and show you how we are living here in Guadalajara.
We are in a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, stylishly furnished high-rise apartment located in the Ciudad del Sol neighborhood. We're excited to show you our crib, so let's get to it.
We were super stoked to get this open space floor plan. So much light floods this living room, and we just absolutely love it.
It's perfect for having indoor plants, and a lot of the things that you see in our living room, the home decor, we actually went out to the artisanal tianguis in Tonalá and picked up a bunch of stuff.
Look, we are minimalists at heart, but when we got out to Tonalá, we lost our minds, y'all. And it all works in our living room. One of the majors that we were looking for in a home was a place that would keep us inspired. Some place we could sit and chill in and always feel an inspirational rush. And this place with the views and the open space floor plan really fulfilled us in that respect. The dining room is the central location of the creative flow inside of our home. We get so much work done in this space because of its inspirational surroundings. We love it and we vibe with
it. Now to the most important part of the house, the kitchen. When we first walked into this apartment, we were blown away by how beautiful the kitchen is.
Loved it.
Beautiful marble countertops and an ample amount of shelving, drawers, and storage space, pretty much to meet every need we had or everything that we wanted to do in this space. We both enjoy getting down in the kitchen. Rondell is the cook, I'm the baker, and we throw down.
Staple inside of our house is popcorn, y'all. The only day that we don't pop popcorn in our house generally is the day that we run out of popcorn. And that's also the same day that we go to the grocery store to re-up.
Nothing feels better than having a pantry that is fully stocked. In our previous home, we had to buy a shelving unit because we didn't have enough storage space. But in this home, we have plenty. And we love to open up the pantry and see that it has all the food and things that we like.
This is not made for YouTube, you guys. This is our real deal refrigerator. You guys see that Chinese food. We love our veggies, we love our food, and we love a clean and orderly refrigerator.
off the main bedroom is the en-suite master bathroom, which has a lot of great space. It's a beautiful master. It has a separate toilet area, a separate shower area, and our closet is in here as well. We've been practicing a minimalistic lifestyle, so these are pretty much all of our clothes. They fit in this space, no problem. Welcome to the junk drawer of our house, the multi-purpose room with another beautiful view. In this space, we have a lot of our workout equipment because we do get some workouts in at home. We also house a lot of our camera and video equipment here.
This is where we shoot a lot of our green screen videos, and it's where your boy has his VIP kid classroom set up. This is the guest bath, aka Rondell's bathroom. I don't know who in the heck told folks that a rainfall shower head was the joint and a luxury item, but it is not. Black folk do not appreciate it, and that's the only part of our house we really don't like. Thank you guys for stopping by to hang out with us today. That was our apartment. If you guys want to understand the story behind it, how it was truly a blessing and happened all by happenstance, check out this link.
This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment we got for a great deal of 15,000 pesos, which is just about 750 USD.
Look, man, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give us that thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We appreciate you. Again, thank you for joining the Yarbros for this apartment tour. Peace and love, y'all.